Hey nolls, it's Linnell. So today I'm coming to you guys with my hair that has been straightened. I've been wearing it straight for like 3 weeks. It's time to go. Hopefully my hair will revert back to curly, and I'm going to be using the Shea Moisture Intensive Hydration Treatment Mask and the Strengthen and Restore Treatment Mask. My little sister got me these for Christmas, so I'm hoping they do me justice right now and yeah, just restore my hair back. Hopefully my hair reverts back, because if not, we're in trouble.
Before you go on this, I used to get my car too, though. Like, so I'm with you. Hello.
Hey nolls, so as you can see, my hair has fully reverted back, thankfully. So basically what I do is I will, except this piece does not seem to be cooperating, but I'll see what it's like after I take a shower. But yeah, this is what my hair is looking like. So I deep condition it, and then I will wash it and then braid it back up into a little, you know, a style, you know. No, just kidding. I'm gonna braid it up, put my wigs back on, and that's about it. There's nothing more to it. The next video will be the how I prep my hair for wigs video though, because it was requested. So I will give that to you guys, but this is my hair. So that's my straight to curly hair routine, and I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.